Hello, this is Bobby with Iconic Autos in sunny Scottsdale, Arizona. And today we have for you an absolutely drop-dead gorgeous 1963 Cadillac Eldorado convertible. This is a killer car. This is a true survivor with only 38,000 original miles. It's actually got original leather interior in it. It's been painted once, but under the hood's all original paint, the door jambs, original weather stripping, the dash and everything's all original in the car. I mean, it's a killer car, and it's a original factory triple green car. It's factory frost green with an emerald interior and a factory green convertible top, which I've never seen another one like it, actually. It's a really elegant, good looking car. And one of the nice, look at the body on this car. It's like straight as an absolute arrow. I'll tell you, this is a car I've had, I buy and sell. It's a car I've had for the past 6 months, and I was considering keeping the car, but we get so many cars in and out, I'm like, I'm gonna sell it. Because it's the middle of summer and I'll find something else, but I know I'm gonna regret it because it's hard finding cars like this. They have not been messed with. I mean, the Eldorado trim is absolutely drop dead gorgeous. The chrome's gorgeous. I think, now, I don't know. I got a hunch it's original chrome, but it could have been redone, but I don't think so. I think it is original chrome and trim. I mean, just look at the grille. This anodizing is absolutely stunning on the car. I just really think it's a one paint job car because, again, it has original paint, the jams, original weather stripping throughout the car. It's got all 3 T3 headlights in it, which those are what they came with. And just the way the car drives, it drives like it came off the showroom floor. There's nothing like a real low mile car to drive, but just every piece of this car is just absolutely gorgeous. Like the lenses, the hubcaps, the trim, the emblems, there's no like pitting anywhere. Like everything looks like new. Look at the vent windows. I mean, this is an awesome car. And I'm trying to figure out where to go next here, but I'm just gonna, you can read the ad, you can hear what it is, look at all the pictures. The car speaks for itself. But this is one of those cars I would sell to a friend of mine, and a car I'd keep. It's one of those type of cars. It's just an awesome car. So we're gonna do this, a walk around condition report. That's what I really do these for. This is original windshield in the car. I mean, it looks crystal clear, it's like brand new. It's original, soft gray tinted glass is right on the tag. Look at the trim around the window. I mean, it's brand new. I mean, this car, it looks like you could have like came off the showroom floor a couple years ago. The fit and finish, this car has never been taken apart. I mean, just look at the chrome and everything. The paint finish is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this trim. The hood, the emblem, all this chrome, the bumpers are like just, there's not even any like age to them or anything. It just, this car just had wonderful storage, wonderfully taken care of. That's what this car was. The anodizing on that grille is just phenomenal. Again, up here you can see the little gun sights. Those are directionals, are beautiful. All this is beautiful, the chrome on here. These are usually always pitted. The windshield wipers are gorgeous. Look, you can just look at the dash on the thing. It's perfect. All the rubber around the windshield, there's no like splitting or anything. You can see the chrome that goes down the wheel opening molding, the hubcaps. Beautiful. The Eldorado emblems are perfect. All the rocker moldings are phenomenal. You can see just the door fit is better. It's a car that's an original car. Just beautiful door handles. Yeah, the sides of this car are just straight as an absolute arrow. The fit and finish is gorgeous. This is the original top boot on the car. And I'll tell you, it was a pain in the butt to stretch on it. It's a little rip right there started tearing. I don't think it's been on there in years, but You can leave it or have it redone. It's a little shade off from the interior, but it looks good. This is beautiful. Look at the lenses, how beautiful are. No pitting on any of this chrome inside here, which is always pitted on these cars. Beautiful bumper, again, beautiful anodizing. Look at the chrome on that bumper. It's like it was done yesterday. This car's never been hit, never been in an accident. Beautiful letters. You can look at the finish. I mean, the trunk is like a mirror. The finish on it. Look down the side of the passenger. Beautiful emblems. But just like the other side, all the moldings are absolutely beautiful. Fender skirt fit. Quarters are gorgeous. No rust on the car. I got tons of pictures of the underside. It's all nice and solid. Better clean those hubcaps here. Beautiful fit on the door. You can see the beautiful chrome. I mean, this looks like it was just restored. It does not get any better than this. Look at this right here. The window, the felts and rubbers are beautiful. Let's go on the inside. So on the interior, the carpet's been redone once and the seats are the original leather, but they have been dyed at one time, so you can kind of see a little bit of the patina in the seats, a little cracking. You get the original Cadillac emblem. I like them the way they are. It tells a story. I mean, it looks beautiful. No one would ever question it. If you wanted it perfect, you'd put new leather, I guess, but I mean, I like the original. It's still there, you know, it's still pretty soft and pretty soft. It just shows a little of its age. So, but they still look very nice. It's got the seat belts. Look at that steering wheel. It is brand new, not even a hairline. Look how just bright and clean the horn button is. And the chrome on his dash. This dash is like showroom new. The cruise, the electronic eye, I mean, it's loaded up. All the chrome around the dash is beautiful. Look at underneath there. All the wood is nice. This is all original paint. You can see these bolts never been. There's original weather stripping in the car, but that is all original paint in the jams. Like these, you know, people usually paint these, they take the bolts out or polish them too much, but that is original. Door panels are nice. That's original carpet in the door panel. All the chrome's nice in the door panel. Original paint, beautiful door sills. Original paint here. Got the warranty thing. Beautiful seats. This is all the chrome's nice there. This is original carpet on the seat there. Same with the back seats have been dyed. But you can see the original Cadillac crest. I mean, I don't think you'd ever replicate that. Probably could, but at what cost? I don't know. You can see the cigarette lighters. Clean, nice clean door panels are in great shape. Look at the weather stripping here is beautiful. I think this one has been replaced. Beautiful dash. Just everything a low mile car should be. Get the trunk release there. Again, door panels are in great shape over here. Original paint, original weather strip. It's a real virgin, untouched car. Under the hood is one thing that really intrigues me. This thing has not been touched underneath here. It's the 3 Nigel 390, but this has never been touched. I don't think it's even ever been detailed. Look at how nice it is. It even says that, oh, the stickers on the air compressor. I mean, the stamps from the air compressor from the factory. Original decals. All original paint in here. All original paint here. These bolts, all original. Of course, new battery, but like these hood hinges are original. All this is correct. This Eldorado horn. It's a huge horn. It's got the cruise control with the right sticker on there. Beautiful the firewall is. All this is super clean and nice. I'm just a nut for like original cars, so and like all the AC stuff's still there. Yeah, that's one thing that excites me is a nice original, like unscrewed with car. The trunk at least does work. I don't know why I just put the keys, but we did actually rebuild this little power trunk motor. And you heard it go up there. But inside the trunk here, original paint, original jack constructions, original weather stripping, all original trunk material back here, original jack, correct spare, the spare tire cover there. But yeah, just pretty much untouched. And the little trunk light works. They'll say the trunk's open. Power seat works. We actually had that all rebuilt and cleaned out. All the power window motors were all rebuilt. So I'm gonna tell you, this car, let's start up. Starts right up all the time. You can listen to it. I mean, it just runs like a low mile car. Sounds like a low mile car. Because it is a low mile car. But so this car sat for a while, and we went through, cleaned the gas, tuned it up, and a lot of stuff didn't work in it, and we just started rebuilding motors and the power seat motors, power window motors, even the clock works, the temp gauge works, all the idiot lights work, the power vent windows work. So I gotta close the gate so the doggies don't get out. There's a couple of few little things that we didn't get finished on it. And it's a wonderful car. You drive it just like it is. It's gorgeous. And we probably should have did it, but I'm just gonna name it because we just got involved in other cars coming in and out of here. And first of all, I'm gonna go back to how nice this car drives. Like, it literally floats down the road. If you've never driven a low mile original Cadillac that hasn't been screwed with, you will never go back to anything else. You'd never want a restored one. I guarantee you that, because nothing drives like a 50s, 60s low mile Cadillac. I mean, this car drives absolutely amazing. Straight down the road, stops on a dime. So mechanically, it's pretty much all gone through. There's a couple things left to do. The AC, we did not get working on it, okay? The blower works and all that stuff, but we didn't charge it. The wipers work, but the gas gauge, the sending unit is bad in it, so you need to replace the sending unit in the tank. And the radio and power antenna does not work. And we were gonna send that out to get rebuilt. Now the power antenna could work, it's just the radio, but I'll tell you, it's like $500 to rebuild the radio, and the antenna is like $300, and it's like another, it's $500 probably in labor, and the unit, the gas, what I'm trying to say here. The sending unit's not expensive, it's just replacing it. You gotta pull the tank and replace it. So it's probably like $1,500 of the work. to get those items, but that's really all you had to do to the car. Speedo works. It's got tilt wheel. The cruise, I don't know if that works. I don't even know how to operate it, honestly. But it's an amazing car. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'll tell you, it's hard to go replace a car like this. Being an Eldorado, it's, you know, very limited production, and being triple green and being the low miles and everything. I mean, a couple little knickknacks, those are very easy fixes, but I just want to be upfront with them. That's what it needs, and you'd have a almost near perfect car. So with that said, don't snooze on this one. Again, I know I'm gonna regret selling this one and not keeping it, but you're not gonna find another like this. And this is the straightest 63 Cadillac I've ever had. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you need any help with shipping, I can get it shipped anywhere in the country or in the world. I can get to help get that figured out. And the car is in Scottsdale here if someone wants to come take a look at it. So that is it. And thank you for taking the time to watch this. And do not wait. If you've been looking for one of these, don't miss out on this car, please. You're gonna regret it, I guarantee you. Thanks. So if you're looking to sell a classic car, or even considering selling a classic car, click the link below, tell me what you have. If it's one car, two cars, a whole collection of cars, someone left you a whole estate of cars, memorabilia, anything like this, tell me what you got. I'd love to check it out. I may be a buyer myself, but for the most, you'll get a free appraisal. I'll tell you what it's worth, depending how fast you want to sell it or what you want to deal with. I'll tell you where to go to get the most money, or the most I'll pay for it. So again, click the link below, tell me what you got. Bobby Adams World, don't forget it. I'm on all social platforms, and I really look forward to seeing what you have. Thanks a lot. I'll see you on the next one.